I know there are lots of questions and doubts holding you back from creating content, even when you have awesome value to share to the world. Well, if you have questions like, am I good enough? Where will I even start from? Trust me, I have been there, and a lot of people have been there too. But guess what? You are going to become a great content creator regardless. Do you know why? Because in this video, I'm sharing my secret roadmap to get you started. So the question is, why do you want to become a content creator? I have answered that already in my first sentence, which is sharing your value to the world. So if that is why you want to become a content creator, then let's move to how to become a content creator. The number one on my list here is finding your niche. What are you good at? What is that thing that you can talk about anytime, any day? What is that thing that you can talk without getting tired? Even if they don't pay you, you will still be satisfied and happy. The main deal why you need to find your niche is that you are not going to serve everyone. So you should have a specific set of people to serve. Everybody must not like you. Everybody must not listen to you. But there are people who are hungry to hear from you. There are people who are hungry to be satisfied with your knowledge. And the number two on our list is be a consumer too. You need to watch others who have been doing this for long, even the ones that are just starting, provided they have started. So you should have at least 2 to 5 persons in your industry that you will learn from. You are not going to copy them. You are just going to get inspiration. You are just going to get what is working and what isn't working. Number 3 on our list here is position your mindset on the right track. Here is why. Before you become a content creator, you have a lot to share to the world. That is why, right? Yes, but there are things on the road. There are obstacles. Don't do this for the money. Yeah, I know along the line money will come. I know you got inspired by maybe the money people are getting from content creation, right? But take it off your mind. If you use that money mindset to enter this game, you will get exhausted, you will get tired, because it might not come exactly when you want. It might take years, it might take 6 months, it might take 1 year. So you don't just look at those who are there already and you want to be like them, right? You should ask them questions on how they started. Not everyone will say, but at least go and watch them from the beginning. Then you will know that there are a lot of things involved. So you just have to take that get rich quick mindset in content creation out of your mind. Just do this thing with joy and have fun with it. Building that influence requires patience, right? So set your mind right. So number 4 on our list is planning. Yes, you have a lot of things to show to the world, but we just have to be organized, right? You cannot just be sharing out of the line. No, we share it for the first to connect to the second, and for the second to connect to the third, so that your audience will understand where you are coming from, for you to sit down and put your beautiful knowledge in order. Number 5 on our list is start with what you have. People can buy all the necessary equipment and end up not doing. You are using your phone to watch me, so start with your phone. You can invest into better equipment when you grow. So you just have to tell your spirit. Your spirit needs to know that you are ready for this. Remember that the most important thing is the quality of your content, not the fancy gadgets, not the big camera, not your environment. Is what you want to share to the world. Number 6 on our list is be yourself. Don't fake anything. Whatever you are, there are people who will follow you that way. Don't be rigid. Don't. The message you are passing is not enough. What the vessel is representing is very, very important. So be yourself. The number 7 on our list here is create your value. It might not make sense to you right now, but create them. As you grow, you become better. Just position your phone, hit that record button and do whatever you want to do. Mistakes can come, leave it. Continue, don't pause it, continue. Do that mistake, do everything you want to do on that camera. You are free. Breathe out any spirit that wants you to turn off that camera. Breathe it out and continue. That idea you've written, bring it to life. The number 8 on our list is edit your content. Yes, I know I asked you to show your personalities, but you see those mistakes I asked you to leave when you are filming, you are going to cut them off and put things together. Your personality does not stop you from portraying quality to people. You can add your behind the scenes, right? Your blooper, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't portray the good part of your knowledge so that they will understand it better. You can use your phone, cut out the mistakes, put things in order, arrange them to be okay. I did not say perfect because I know you want that perfect. After watching it, it's not good, I will not post it. No, I did not say perfect, I said good. So edit them and put them in order for people to watch you. You don't have to be perfect now, but understand, right? Yeah. Number 9 on our list is publishing your content. Now that you have filmed, you have edited, it's time to publish. If you are not on any platform, it's time for you to create a social media account and publish your content. You don't have to be everywhere. Seriously, I will advise you start with 2. Then as you are growing, you can go to everywhere. You can be on all social media platforms, but for now, the one that resonates with your audience, and then optimize it for them to know that this is what I do, right? Your profile, your bio, everything should say about what you do. You should not be saying A, then displaying B. You understand? So put your profile in order and start publishing those content to your people. Number 10 is stable. You might be tempted to be moved. Don't move. Things will come. Don't follow. Yeah, not every trend that is for you. See that this trend is going on. This challenge is going on. If it's not something in your niche, please leave it. Leave that temptation. If you do it, the audience you will bring from that trend will be stagnant audience. They will not do anything for you. Or will you continue that trend forever? No, you have something you are doing already. If you do trend that is in alignment with what you do, it will help you better. You attract more people, and you will not just attract people, those people will do everything you want them to do. They will be your community. Trend is not forever, so don't be swayed to do what will not yield your audience anything. Number 11 on our list here is don't start and stop. Building a stable social media brand needs patience and consistency. So imagine if you have patience without doing anything, nothing is going to happen. So being consistent doesn't mean post every day. No, being consistent means every time they come across your content, they keep seeing that value in you. That is consistency. And apart from that, consistency means that if you have made your audience to believe that this is the day I post my content, any of these days that you people come online, you are going to see me. It must not be every day. You understand, right? Be consistent. Try as much as possible. It's not easy, but I've told you to fix your mindset. That is the only thing that will help you to be consistent. And finally, the number 12 on our list is keep practicing. I told you before that you should just be good, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't do anything or everything to be better. So keep learning and keep practicing. The way you set your camera today might not really make sense to you. Don't be weighed down. Do everything possible to make sure to make it better the next day. The goal is my content today will not be better than my tomorrow's content. So if you can practice, your tomorrow's content will be better than today, and the next content will be better. Every content will be better. Your first video should not be better than your next 5 videos, right? So practice, practice, practice. Tell me in the comment section the type of content you are passionate about creating, and if you are ready to take this content creation career seriously, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification, and join me on this journey. Let's build a creator community together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.